Hello, let's learn digital marketing in 5 minutes. So, there's three things that you need: dedicated traffic, step one, step two, a website, and step three, a CRM. Those are the only three things that you need. Let's get started. So, you need step one, a dedicated traffic source, high quality traffic. This is not organic traffic. If you're running organic traffic, that's great. That's where you're getting leads from, like your Instagram or your Facebook or your TikTok or your YouTube, because you're constantly posting content. That's great. For a lot of people that just need sales quickly within the next like couple days, that's where you're gonna need something like Google Ads. Definitely like Google Ads way better than Facebook. You'll find it's more intent based, where they're actually typing in barbershop near me or something like that, where they're actually looking for it, versus Facebook and Instagram, which is more like interrupting, and they're there for entertainment, honestly. So there's a higher quality lead on Google Ads. That's dedicated traffic. Boom, you're gonna expect to pay, I don't know, I would budget about $1,000 a month to really like get the most out of it. But you can still get started with ads there. Second, where are you going to send those ads to? Please do not send them to a website. A website versus a funnel. A website basically has a bunch of doors. Think of it like they walked into the lobby of your business, and a website has a bunch of doors you just presented them with. So, like options, the link. Every link is like an option. That's where you confuse people. And your website, you have 5 seconds maybe to like capture their attention and get their contact information. That's all you're doing. We just built a funnel for a client. They had like an 80% bounce rate. Their website wasn't capturing leads. We fixed it to a landing page. Instantly, he was getting 4 leads a day. And it was like, bro, you have organic traffic, but your website was killing you on sales. It was suffocating your business. So here's an example of a landing page. There's only one thing to do, a button, and it says fill out this form. That's all that this landing page does, is just one option: either call or fill out the form. When they fill out the form, filled it out here, and I click the button. Second, sends them to a dedicated landing page, so you could put special code, so that code could go back to Google and say, hey Google, that person filled out the form, that's a conversion, that's what we want, go find me more people like that. And then Google's like on it. And we could get complex with calendars, but I don't expect much from leads doing like calendar booking. That's, you're gonna like be on the phone, and you should be doing the calendar booking if that's your type of business. Then boom. Step three, sends that lead to your CRM. CRM is basically an app that stores the information of all the contacts that have came in on what day with their contact information. And this is just important because these are technically sales. Whatever your cost, you think of your lifetime value for. We just brought on a barbershop where every lead lifetime value was like $600. So it's like, yo, that's like $600 times four, and we just set that up. You'll make your recoup your costs in just like a couple days, actually, which is kind of funny. What service they're interested in, and where did they come from? More importantly, are you getting more organic traffic leads, or are you getting Google ad leads? And then all this information is in an app, not in your brain, so that you and your sales team, everyone gets notified. Basically, this sent a notification to that person's mobile phone instantly, so that person can instantly call or email them, and then move them from new lead to follow up. So basically, you're processing all your leads, and then from there to discovery call, or you may have a different funnel, or from here to now an active client, or close win a sale. But now this is all organized, so you or a sales rep could come in and manage your sales pipeline, so CRM. So let's review. You have high quality traffic you're getting from Google PPC, say for example, way better than Facebook, just my opinion. And then saying that to a dedicated landing page that does one thing, boom, capture their contact information in 5 seconds, done. And then that instantly goes to a CRM, not your email, a CRM where the sales team instantly gets a mobile phone notification, so they can instantly contact that lead and move them to a close win, close loss, so you can track your sales. So that's digital marketing in 5 minutes, the three things that you need to generate sales online and turn clicks into customers. I'm with Jonathan Acuna with Global Builders Club. We're a Los Angeles digital marketing agency, and we build these client acquisition funnels custom for local businesses or service-based businesses. So contact us if you want a funnel built for you. So hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.